Hi everyone, we're going to simplify exponents and assume no variable equals 0. And how many problems we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to use the properties or laws of exponents. The first one, let's see what we have here, is written like this. Do we have any? Oh, the first one, let me write it out. 4r to the 6w squared is the same term as that one, which is minus r to the 6w squared. Then we have plus 9r squared w6. And I'm thinking on this problem, what they're wanting you to do is recognize that this one is different than those two. These two are the same, so we can combine them. So this is like saying 4 of these minus 1 of these is 3 of these. And the these happen to be r to the 6w squares. And then we just still have 9 of those. So r squared w to the 6th. So that would be it for that one. Just recognizing your like terms. Now the second one is using the product rule, but in 3 terms. So basically, we can write y to the 7th times y cubed times y squared as y to the 7 plus 3 plus 2, which equals y to the 12th. And this is kind of a big number, but basically what you're doing is you have 7 y's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 here. 1, 2, 3 times 2 more. 2, 1, 2. So that's where you're getting your 12 from. But you don't want to have to do this part. That's why we have our rules. All right. The next one is the product rule. The power rule, sorry. So that means we can just multiply those two. So that's going to be n to the 6th power cubed is just n to the 18th. And again, why that's different than the second one we did is this 3 means we can write this down 3 times. And again, do the same thing. We could just write this as n to the 6 plus 6 plus 6. And that gives you n to the 18th power. All right, and then the last one. This is the common mistake people make on this one. All right. So for this one, this 4 means I can write this down 4 times and multiply them. So you have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 16. And then we have n to the 4th. Now most students get n to the 4th, but they forget the 2. You have to do 2 to the 4th as well, which equals 16. Then we have plus 2n to the 4th. Since these are like terms, we can add them up. We have 16 of these plus 2 of these, which is 18 of these. And our these happen to be n to the 4th. So that's your final answer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.